Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. It's a small one, but a good one. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out what stuff I was able to find. Alright, so the first thing I want to share with you, these are some dies that I found. I wanted this during Christmas, but they had gone out of stock. During Christmas, I wasn't able to get it. But when they finally went in stock, I went ahead and put an order on them. And what these are, they create shakers. They're the shapes for your shakers. So it comes in a Christmas tree. And they did have a star. And they have the circle. Alright. And the star does come with its own shaker. So you get the star shaker. That. So you get the star shaker. So all you do is cut the shape and whatnot. You got stuff to add to it. And this corresponds to this. So you have a shaker on it. Okay. So I got the star one. I also got the Christmas tree one. So like I said, it does go with that. With that one. And I did get the circle one. Now with this one, they give you a generic circle one, so you could use this for multiple things. So you just find the one that fits that, and you have that. So when this came back in stock, I was happy because I've been waiting for this since right before Christmas is when I saw these on my feed, and they just came back probably a few weeks ago. Okay, next thing I have here are the DTF stickers. I got this so I could stick on either like the little fabric bags that I have, or I could find something to stick it on. So I got that. So that's the DTF. So I got those. I also have some appliques, and these are some cute bunnies. Now, I like using appliques for ephemera pieces. You do get the pink one. You do get a little diamond in there. You get the white one. And these are actually pretty fluffy. And then you do get like the lavender one. So I got those. Really like those. And the back side, just the cloth. So I got those there. Next thing I have here are some cherry bags. Look at that. They're almost like a Ziploc. They do got the little sliding mechanism on there to lock it, and then you got to open it. Look at that. So I like those. So I got those for gifting, like goodies and stuff with swaps. Okay, next thing I have here are some bunny acrylics. I thought this was super cute. They do got the hole on the ear right there. But look at those. They got the bunny acrylics, and they are thick. I really like these. These are really nice. Love, love, love. Okay, the next thing I had were these spring charms, and these are signs. Look at that. I love those. It's super cute. And I think this shop had other ones also. Alright, the next thing I have here are some, I'm going to use them for centers for flowers. Look at that. So I got the gold one. Those ones. I think you get 50 in here. I think you get 50 of those. Okay, next thing I have here, actually I hauled this during a Valentine Temu haul. So I got some more of the pink, white, red, and dark pink little mini bows. I really like these. These are real nice quality. I like how they have them. I got another package. So I got another package of the flower centers in gold. I think this was a different shop that I got those from. And then I also got them in silver. Love, love, love. Now these went out of stock before, but I still had them in my cart. And these are little presents, and they are in pink and, blue and pink, and red with pink. I love those. They're super cute. Love, love, love. Now they went out of stock also before, so I was able to get them when they came back. And then next thing I hauled here are these flower centers. So I got them in pink, and I also got it in white. Before I get any others, I want to check how these look. But these are really nice. Look at that. Love that. And I did get some more of the little silver centers from the other shop. So these two here were from one shop, and then this one was another shop where I got those. And then I did haul some more bunny acrylics. This one does have the hole in the ear also. Look at that. And those. And then I did get these cute flamingo appliques. Look at that. How cute are these? I like using these on you could use this on fabric, but I like using this on embellishments, cards, bookmarks, or whatever I make. You know, I could use those too. And so wherever you could use die cuts, you can use those. So I got those. And then the last thing I want to share with you are some dies that I bought. This one here is a Valentine key and lock. I got that one. I will be cutting these out so you can see how they look. Now these ones I saw, and I believe these are Christmas, but little ducky Christmas ones. That one got antlers and a scarf. That is super cute. This one can dress up as a Christmas tree. And I'm going to cut these also because they are so cute. This one has a little coffee and a hat. And this one was wearing a coat. So yeah, I saw those. I had to have it. But yeah, that is my little haul I want to share with you. I will leave all the links below that if it's available. If it's not available and if I find something similar, I'll link that instead. But yeah, I love everything. Everything was beautiful. But I do like that these came back. But yeah, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.